My name is Dustin. Initially, it was my cholesterol. I had an elevated cholesterol levels that I had checked previously, and I had been growing some concern about that and thought that I could seek help elsewhere. From my first consultation with Dr. Noon, I felt really comfortable. I haven't always had the best experiences with doctors. And so the comfort level that I experienced really felt like I was at home, and I could trust him in going over my lab work and helping me through some health issues I've been having. Dr. Noon's approach to my care was very personalized. It wasn't just, he looked at me as not just through my lab work, but through what I had to say and what concerns that I had. Since on treatment with Dr. Noon, I've noticed that my sleep has been 10 times better than it ever has been. My cholesterol levels have lowered to a safe level where I don't have as many concerns as I used to have. As well as my energy, I'm way more energized than I've ever been. My overall health and well-being has been impacted tremendously during this process at BioPrime Medical and working with Dr. Noon. I felt since day one, or at least the first week of treatment, I've seen tremendous gains. My overall experience with BioPrime Medical has been amazing since the first phone call I had with Dr. Noon. We talked for about 45 minutes the first time that I talked to him, and it felt like I had known him for 10 years. It was then that I realized that I had made the right choice in coming to BioPrime Medical to work on my overall health. Yes, I would absolutely recommend BioPrime Medical and Dr. Noon to any of my friends and family. Been nothing but exceptional here, and since my time working with them, I have nothing but good things to say.